Today we're here to enjoy one of those simple recipes, but when you try it and want to treat yourself, you'll definitely want to make it again. It's a cheese sandwich with all the tricks to make sure it always turns out perfect.
The first trick is to use a tablespoon of butter or margarine, but heat it in the microwave for 10 seconds so it gets a little soft. The ideal point is this, that you can spread it easily. Now we take 2 slices of sandwich bread, and pay attention because first we put a tablespoon on each one. But with mayonnaise, it's going to give it a fantastic flavor and a juicy touch. Besides, it seals this part of the bread, so spread it well and carefully stretch it so it covers the entire surface of the slice. Once you have it, let's move on to the cheese, in this case, whichever one you want. I put a slice of a soft, mild cheese on it and a bit of a cured cheese. Here it's Grana Padano with a strong flavor, so I use just a bit and mix it with shredded mozzarella. A combination of 3 cheeses that I personally love. It turns out juicy, creamy, and comes together fantastically. We already have the cheese, so stack 1 slice on top of another. If any cheese falls out, just lift the slice and put it back. And now let's take that butter we had prepared and gently spread it over the top, on the slice that's on top. Then we flip the whole thing over and spread butter on the other slice. Just like that. Thanks to having it soft, we don't have to press it, and it's going to have the perfect and ideal texture. And now the final touch, we take it and bring it to a pan or griddle. We're going to place it there, and my trick is to cook it over slightly low heat. In my case, my stovetop has 10 settings and I have it on 4. After about 4 minutes, it'll be golden, then we flip it. This second side might take a little less time, maybe about 3 minutes, and then it's just as golden. Let's check it. Yes, perfect. We take it off the heat and move it to the plate. Now it's time to enjoy. And this sandwich always turns out delicious. Dare to try it. It's truly a delight.
Look at that. What a treat. It's pure pleasure thanks to that golden crust this sandwich gives us. How good does that look? When you cut it, the cheese is soft and gooey inside, crispy outside. It has it all. Now just the most important part remains. Time to enjoy. Me, sandwiches, no knife, no fork, nothing. With my hands. Then I wash them and that's it. Are you one of those people who eat sandwiches with a knife and fork or with your hands? Tell me in the comments below, and also let me know where you're watching this video of this delicious thing from. Tell me about it. And that's how we travel the world through delicious things.